Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, hustling, hustling. Every
Oh, welcome back. Damn it. To the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today, we got ourselves a banger. Daily market news and analysis. Let me fix this right quick. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. TikTok, at the last moment, decided that they needed a camera source. So, let's see if we can fix it real quick. Alright. Two seconds. Alright. Let's try this. Let's try this one more again. There we are. We made it. Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today, we got ourselves a banger. Bro. Banger. Alright, this is what's happening. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. TikTok is on some crazy stuff right now. Damn it, bro. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Alright, here's the deal. TikTok is trying to... I might have to do some crazy stuff here. Alright. See, like it's TikTok. Hold on. Hold on. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try it one more time. As I went live, this is what happened. As I went to go live, TikTok decided that they needed a camera source, which is not what they normally do. They don't do that. But they decided to do it today, and under this, I don't know if we're gonna... Alright, hopefully we're good. Alright. I gotta fix that, though. Alright, cool. Welcome back! For real. This time. And let me put you guys to where you can see my chart. And I can see what you guys are saying. There we go. Welcome. Brethren. Spam these likes. Coming to the Matrix. This is TikTok. TikTok is doing this. I might... This is not good. I don't know how to fix it while I'm live. Alright. Here we go. We got the camera. It's OBS virtual camera. All right, last time, and then I'm gonna delete the camera off TikTok. This is what's going on. This is the last time I'm fixing it, and I'm gonna delete the camera off TikTok. We're gonna say screw it, because TikTok decided that they wanted a camera. They wouldn't even let me go live without one. But I normally just screen share my OBS screen. But so I did a virtual camera, which is it's underneath of it. I'll show you. See? There we are. Actually, let me just do this. This might be better. We got to flip this though. I actually think that the quality might be a little bit better. I don't know how to flip it though. All right, we're getting rid of it. Can't delete the... God dog it. Alright. I don't know what to do. Alright. That's it. No camera for me. You get no camera. Whatever. Sorry, guys. I will fix that tomorrow. The Matrix owns me. Alright, guys. Damn. That's so silly. I wonder if I could change it to... I wonder if I could do one thing and change this. I wonder if... Wait, what is... Oh, this is... Let me just do this. All right. I think I fixed it. Last time for real, and then we're getting into it. They don't want me to speak today. That's what it is. For real. For real. Dude. All right, here's the deal. Here's the deal. Here's what's going on. And we're not going to do this no more. TikTok. Okay. When you have a capture card, you can only go to one place. That's it. And right now, OBS is pulling the capture card. And TikTok has their own little OBS. That's it. We're done. We're done. We're done. No more camera. Get out of here. OBS has their own, or TikTok has like a OBS flavor. Instead of just giving me a stream key, they have to be different. And they have to have their own freaking software, which looks like this. Like, give me a freaking stream key so I can just be on OBS. So we don't have to have these silly willy problems. All right, whatever. We're here. Let's get this party started, y'all. We're done dealing with it. Predictions for XRP, $5 to $14. Made in China. Right? Are we talking about TikTok? $5 to $14. For $5 to $14 for XRP. Bro, Neo spamming the likes. Sorry, guys. If you're watching live, sorry. Sorry about it. We will have this fixed for tomorrow. I I have OBS. OBS is awesome. I love OBS. What I hate, though, is TikTok. And listen, I'm going to be honest with you. The only reason I even have Windows at all, I would be straight Linux right now if it was not for TikTok. Because they have this thing right here. All this is OBS with TikTok's name on it. But I cannot stream from my computer without using this app. And so, yeah, there we go. That's what it is. And they're just a bunch of silly willies. If I could only use OBS like every other app, just gives me a stream key, and then I put that in, I would just use Linux. I wouldn't even use Windows at all. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Call your wife's boyfriend for tech support. What up, Ski? Jiggle the handle. Jiggle the handle. They're scared of you. All right, guys, let's get into it. Right now, Bitcoin sitting at $63,000, having a little bit of a pullback today. Nothing too crazy. The fear and greed at 48, which is kind of crazy. Phantom having issues. It will come back. Hello, Ski. Why on Phantom wallet isn't showing price details for Solnic? Just look on SoulScan. If it's on SoulScan, you're good. You are good to go, fam. Crypto bubbles. This is the crazy one. Okay, so we talked about this yesterday, how HNT might be ahead, slightly ahead of the game, and they're up 15% today. We talked about how let's talk about wife-changing money, right? So we talked about the Wyckoff. You can take a look at Boy Wojak. Appreciate it, fam. Got you, bro. So we were talking about yesterday the Wyckoff accumulation. We had a pretty damn crazy rant about all of it. But one thing I mentioned was HNT. And when comparing the other coins, okay, so like the base is Render, right? We've done this 1,000 times, but here's where most of the market is. And we were saying that HNT seems to be like skedaddling out of here. It's up 15% today. So it's, yeah, this is HNT to me is a little bit ahead of most of the rest of the market, perhaps. As everything else is sort of still on this back test phase, HNT to me looks like the back test is done. And what we need to get, though, to confirm it is getting above 1050. It looks really good. Either way, it looks really, really good. To me, this might be one of the first movers. And that's how it was, too, with the sign of strength. It was one of the first sign of strength. It's even ahead of Link. Yeah. No, that's right. It was one of the first movers last time as well with the sign of strength. What's a good entry for Notcoin? I got you. Let's see. This still looks like distribution to me off of this chart, but there's not a ton on this chart though. Let me go to Dex Tools. Come on. Notcoin. Good entry for Notcoin. I don't know. This chart is kind of all right. I don't know. This chart, I don't love this chart. Let's see, make sure I didn't miss nobody over here. This looks like perhaps the beginning of accumulation, but you have this gap over here, right? Under it. And I don't like that. You guys know how I feel about these gaps. Get them out of here. So that could get filled. I mean, we already wicked into it. I would say if you wick below it, I guess not a bad spot, but what is the ROI potential even on this? I mean, this is 952 million. What did we get to? What's the ROI potential that we're talking about here? A 5x? 7x? GRT 2025. Listen, Ronaldo, I like GRT. I like the chart on GRT. And the tokenomics are messed up a little bit. And that's the thing. When you have... Do you own HNT? I do. And I also mine it. When you have bad tokenomics, bad inflation, it screws up the whole chart. So nothing about the chart is going to be... Yeah, nothing about the HNT chart or about the GRT chart is valid now from a technical standpoint because of the inflation. You still big on HBAR and Sauce? I like HBAR's technology, not their tokenomics. Tokenomics not good full court, but I am very big on Sauce, and I made a lot of money on Sauce. But I think actually Sauce is in a good. It hasn't been in a good value for a while, but I think it's back in a really good level. But yeah, HBAR, I'm out on HBAR from an investment standpoint. From an ROI standpoint, I'm out on HBAR for this cycle. However, Sauce to me looks really, really good. I like their chart, or the value. Now, it's probably going to be boring for a little bit because we did have a crazy 20 plus X run, right? Like, what did this thing do? Yeah, 23x. So this is distribution. This is the markdown again. And this is the beginning of accumulation. I think that the blood is done for this because we're on top of all of this support over here. I don't think we're going to get any lower for Sauce, but we could be choppy and boring for a little while. Next leg will take you somewhere about 59 cents. But I really like Sauce, though. That's still one of my low market cap gems. I'm a big fan. They fixed bro. There is no they fixed it. Drop some likes, you beautiful people. Can you show the tokenomics of He to show the difference before and after Alex burned the supply? Are they on CoinMarketCap? I don't even know how I would... I don't think they're on CoinMarketCap. I don't know that I can show that, Cliff. Well, I know that it launched with 1 billion, right? And the circulating supply is 772. And it has 100% of the circulating supply. I mean, this looks deep in accumulation. Thanks, bruh. Put in a good word for you to my wife's boyfriend. Thanks, bro. I appreciated that. Calvin Hill. What about him? 59 cents on Sauce. Yeah. Toncoin. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I like it that, I mean, like, Ton is still in the same range. There's nothing. If you liked Ton before, I think that this is good. Well, no. Nope. 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 I take that back. I take that back. I take it back. What about Calvin Hill? What are you saying, bro? What do you want to know about Calvin Hill? This is distribution. Take profit, bro. Take profit. This is going to come back to, I mean, you're still looking about 30 to 40% to the downside. Shiba 2025, about a 10x from here. Only do your taxes. How much does it affect the stock? What are you asking me? Like, are you asking me about taxes with crypto? It's very similar to stocks. So you have long-term capital gains, you have short-term capital gains. It depends on, listen, I'm not a tax expert. I'm not a tax expert. That being said, yeah, I'm not a tax expert. But there's long-term capital gains and there's short-term capital gains. If you hold something for a year and a day, you're in long-term capital gains. Generally, that's 20% off of whatever you profit. A lot of you guys have a hard time with the profit part of things. So if I invest 1K into X coin, and then it's a year and a day later, it's still 1K, I don't owe any taxes on that. If a year and a day later, it's 2K, I now owe 20% on the realized capital gains if I take profit. If I sell all $2,000, keyword, you have to sell. As of right now, there's no unrealized taxes. That might be different in the future. It's not right now. But if you were to sell this entire 2K, you would owe 20% of the 1K profit because you had your initial investment of 1K. So you only profited 1K. You did not profit 2K. You profited 1K. So 20% of 1K would be $200. If you hold it less than a day, it's 40%. Get out of here. That's not right. 40%. So the same scenario, you would owe $400 off of that. Only if you sold. That's right. Never sell, never pay taxes. That's what the rich do. They never sell. They never sell. The only thing that they do is they get loans off of their assets. That's how Elon Musk bought Twitter. He put up his Tesla stocks as collateral to secure a $44 billion loan. That's how he got that loan. That's how he bought Twitter. He never sold anything. My top 100x gems. My top. What about Solana? I think Solana will do about $700. I think Solana will do about $700. I'm holding Solana long term. Yeah, I think Solana's fine. Solana's a solid project. They have proven me wrong. I was a bear market Solana hater. And they have forced me to eat my words. Top 3 100x gems. Solnik. Sauce. I don't think Sauce is going to 100x though. Flux, and I don't think Flux is going to Coinly.io for tax prep. You at Soul. Let's go back to the. What's your favorite altcoins? I don't really have a favorite other than Solnic. I'm very unbiased / I am not emotionally involved with any of these projects. So favorite, as far as like what I personally support, I don't have any. Now, if you would say favorite as in what do I like, their charts, their fundamentals, and their tokenomics all combined together, upside potential, downside risk, I would say anything that's on the Wyckoffsky list is a good play. ICP, Link, VeChain, Flux, Dent, Theta, Naka. I like all those. But realistically, the thing that I'm looking for is a chart that looks like this. Realistically, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a chart that looks like this. Period. End of story. End of story. How's Bitcoin going to do in a week? Bro. How long you been following me, fam? Are you following me? I do not do next week analysis. I do not do next hour analysis. I am exponentially better at macro analysis. Here's what I could say. Right now, we are in the middle of a range. All right? This is what they call the dumb money. All right? And what that, it doesn't mean that you're dumb. They literally call it that. Because it's equally as likely that we go to 70K as it is that we go to 60K. We're literally in the middle of the range. Now, we've had a pretty nice move from 50K all the way up to 60. I think we got 65K today. We did. 65K today. So equally as likely 70K is as likely as 60K. We're right in the middle of the range. We've been in the same range for 6 months now. I think we're nearing a decision time. And it looks like we got rejected. So in a week, we could probably backtest 60K. The next macro move, though, is 85 plus K. 85 plus K is the next macro move. And we'll wait on it. And we'll wait on it. And it will be boring. It will be boring. 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 Until it's not. Until it's not, friends. And here's the deal. $10 to $12, yeah, that's realistic. Why did it get rejected? Well, there's a couple reasons. So when you pull a fib, from this micro swing high to the swing low, this is the 702. That's a very common place to get it rejected, even if you want to go through there. Most of the time, you don't just shoot right through the 702 the very first time. And really, you put the 702 as the decider. Once it gets above the 702 and it starts really trading above it, typically you're going to get into price discovery. So that's like reason number one. Reason number two is, this is the top of the trend. Like, we've been in this parallel channel, as well as the, it gets bullish at the top People who get freaked out at the bottom. XRP to 10K. Not in my lifetime. Not in yours. If it really does get to 10K, that would mean that the US dollar is Zimbabwe currency, right? Which is possible. But my target for this bull run is $5 as high as $14. XRP to 10K market cap. No, it's not going there either. When you pull a fib, where does it accumulate? Typically the 236. And if you can get a asset that is real below the 236, that is extreme value. That's what you see a lot of times. But like AVAX is, there's different examples, but typically below the 236 is where currencies like to accumulate. I mean, even AVAX, even the market cap, that's where it accumulated. That's what you see though, below the 236. And anything that's below the 236 is extreme value, especially when you're looking at the macro level. What up, Ski? Hope as well. Most informative market analysis around. Thank you, Thomas. I appreciate that. XDC. I like XDC. XDC is on the Wyckoff list. Looking beautiful. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Retracement. Everything that is not broken will retrace. Period. That's 12 cents. You can take that to the bank. Parabolic is about 47 cents. Ski, what's up, AA Ron? She says, will the peak be in 24 or 25? Here's the deal. Time is the lowest element of what I care about. Thank you for the music gift, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
Here's the deal. Time is the element that I care the least about. I will be making zero decisions based off of time. If we get if the market cap gets above $8 trillion for the entire market cap, I'm not going to be like, oh, well, but we're in 2024 or, oh, we're in 2025. I need to wait. No, I'm going to be taking action. If Coinbase gets top 10 in the App Store, I don't care if it's 2024, 2025, or 2026. I'm taking action. If Bitcoin gets above $207,000, I don't care if it's 2024, 2025, 2026. I'm taking action. If my Uncle Jimmy comes up to me and tells me about a meme coin, I don't care if it's 2024, 2025, or 2026. I'm taking action. Okay? That being said, with my huge preface, I think it's 2025. But I really don't care. Because I'm going to be looking at the total market cap. I'm going to be looking at Google Trends. I'm going to be looking at Fibonacci's. I'm going to be looking at Coinbase rankings. I'm going to be looking at a lot of different things. The RSI, the fear and greed. I'm going to be looking at a lot of different factors to make a decision on whether or not I'm going to be taking action or not. Least of which of those is going to be time. What about AVAX coin? I think it's good. I think it's good too. I like their charts. Same chart that I'm looking for. Beautiful. 8x for AVAX. Thoughts on the graph? I like the graph. Listen, he says Sonic is still 1.3 market cap. I'm pretty sure it's 1.5. It might be. But in the rules of Wyckoff, this is, yeah, we're not 1.3 anymore, bro. We're 1.56. So that's not right. We're 1.56 now. It's been like that for a while. But here's the rules of Wyckoff. The rule is the longer you range at a price, You might think that that sucks and that's boring. This is for any asset, by the way. I don't care what the asset is, but the rules of Wyckoff state the longer you range at a price, the higher it will go. The higher your targets are. Wyckoff's rules, not Ski's rules. And here's the thing. It's like you just got out of a relationship with the stripper. And now that you have a nice, sensible woman who's going to take care of you, it just doesn't feel right. It's like, why aren't you treating me like crap? Hi, Ski. What's new? What's new is TikTok has captured my camera and it won't give it back. So Bitcoin will most likely retest at 62K and shoot upwards. I'd say like 60K. Yeah. But yeah, basically. So when exit for GRT if I have now. Let's see if we can find a GRT market cap. I can give you the market cap tells you the truth. Let me see if I can find a chart for the GRT market cap. Because like here's the deal. If I don't have a market cap and the inflation is bad or a lot, TA doesn't, you throw TA out the window. I can't out TA inflation. I don't see one. I need to figure out. Yeah, I need a market cap is what I need. And I don't see one. GRT, let me type in market cap. Maybe they got one. Nope. Wait. Yeah, I don't see one. I don't see one. I'll try to do some more research on that. Got to be on TradingView. I am on TradingView. If Bitcoin goes back to 60K, what do you think XRP will drop to? I mean, it's at 62 right now. That's only like... that's like 1% away. What do I think XRP will go to? Probably like maybe 55 cents, 51 cents. Maybe. Can you look up XAI? I got you. I bought the Solink on Solflare without the yellow dot. Like you said, it says 1.2 million market cap. Solflare might be behind, bro, but check the contract address. XTZ9. It's possible that they're behind. Hey, Crypto Wars said 2025 is going to be bearish. What do you think? Like, why? I disagree. Nothing about... Yeah, I disagree. Okay, hey, bro, Earl. So Cam says Solflare is paused on all market caps at the moment. So that's why. It's a Solflare issue. But you can go on solscan.io and it will tell you. Or you can go to Dex Tools. It will tell you as well. That's a Soul Flare issue. But yeah, we're up. What are we up this week? We're up a decent bit. $25% on the week? Yeah, it's just a Soul Flare issue. World War Bitcoin said 2025 bearish. That's fine. Global unrest could disrupt crypto. Question. Could global unrest? Are you talking war? Is that what you mean, Alan? War? But T13, I disagree. Civil wars. Listen, here's the deal. T13, here's the deal. I disagree. For many reasons, but reason number one, and the main reason, nothing about the charts. Everyone keeps telling me it's different this time. It's different this time. It's different this time. Everyone keeps telling me that, but nothing about it is different. Nothing about it is different. In fact, we're right on schedule. That's the main and foremost reason. Reason number two is every single creator is saying that 2025 is bearish. I actually don't know one creator that is not bearish in 2025. Not one. To me, that is the most bullish thing, period. End of discussion. Every single creator is bearish in 2025. That is bullish. So we have the charts, we have the vibes, right? Just counter trading influencers. And then like the reason why they think it is, right, is the Fed rate cuts. But even in the worst of times, which is when they break the market, right? So there's two types of Fed cuts, right? You have different categories of Fed rate cuts. They're not the same. Okay, you have two different categories. Okay, I can't do that. Let me get rid of this. You have two different categories of Fed rate cuts. You have when it's broken. Jesus. Meaning they cut rates because something is broken in the market. Something fundamentally has broken. This is bad. When this happens, it's very bad for the stock market in the medium term. But, like, here's the even crazier part. It's really only like 6 months. Even when that happens. That's not what we're getting. The type of Fed cut that we are expecting is just that. One that we have been waiting for over a year. Everyone, it's literally priced in. And this has been on schedule. So these are different outcomes. But even the worst one of the two outcomes is only 6 months of pain in the stock market. But this is not the scenario that we're getting. Everyone is leading everyone to say that this is the rate cuts. Rate cuts equals recession. Sometimes. But we have been expecting them to cut rates for over a year now. Everyone is expecting it. What does that mean? It means it's priced in. This is not, the market is broken. We have to cut rates to fix it or we're doomed. That's not what this is. Even if it is, though, that's 6 months of pain followed by a bull run. So either way you go, we're supposed to cut in September. Either way we go, that doesn't equal 2025 being bearish. I disagree. Why Sonic? What is it? Great to hear. Trend is bullish. You asked me about war. Listen, like, I wish it wasn't this way, but war is bullish too. I wish that war wasn't bullish, but it is. That's a fact. How do I buy Sonic? You can buy Sonic on Soulflare. You can buy Sonic on, here, let's give you, you can buy it on Soulflare. You can buy it on Jupiter, the exchange, JUP.AG. Whoops. You can buy it on SetoX. You can buy it on Phantom. You can buy it on Coinbase Wallet. You can buy it on Crypto.com wallet. These are the places that you can buy it as of right now. In the very near future, you'll be able to buy it in other places. What was Dogecoin's market cap before reaching an all-time high 2021? Before reaching? Okay. Obatron, are you asking me at the peak or before? All right. Like before it went on a bull run? It's right. It's where it is right now. 7.36 billion. Technically, it had a little run before then. The lowest it was really was like 1 billion. Is Soulflare safe as long as you got your keys? Yes, it is safe as long as you got your keys. Money printer coming, that's right. Will Doge go to $1? Yeah, I think that's possible. What can they sue for, Megan? It's decentralized. There is no owner of Sonic. All of the... It's specifically Sonic and the colors that it is for specific reasons. To not. Can you check AMP chart? You think Pepe and Shiba will hit 1 cent per... No, definitely not Shiba. Pepe, I don't know. Like, I don't know what the supply on Pepe is. Oh, and I actually... No. Zero chance that Pepe gets to 1 cent. Zero. Negative chance. Negative 200% chance that Pepe gets to 1 cent. Luna Classic to $1. I would believe that more than I believe Pepe or Shiba to 1 cent. Let me see here. There is a scenario. No. No, yeah. Luna could definitely get to $1. It's at 37 cents. Luna could get to $12. Someone named On My Mama just followed. Hey, thanks for the follow, fam. On My Mama! Yeah, I think Luna Classic could get to $1. I mean, I'm not interested in it. Just got here. What's the current price prediction for Solnic? Over the course of the bear market, 10 cents, as high as $1. No way, bro. No way what? You're looking at the wrong Luna? Oh, am I? My bad. Oh, okay. Damn, that's crazy. Can it get to $1? No. It could get to like it could get to like 2/10 of a penny. Maybe. Way. Is it possible for Doge to get to $1? Yeah, I think so. Definitely possible. Definitely is possible. What do you think about Cocky Inu? I feel like... Wait, what is there? $100 million market cap. I don't mind their chart. Looks okay to me. Retracement. See, I don't like stuff with 69 trillion. Big D, thank you for the Elliot or Eli. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the lightning, Big D. The chili peppers. The give me the vote. The tiny diny and the donuts. You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
What's your prediction for Bitcoin Cash? All right, so my opinions on Cocky Inu is I don't like stuff with 69 trillion market cap. Like, that's more than the national debt, bro. What are you trying to prove with that point, right? What are you trying to prove? You got more than the national debt. So I have no idea what the number is going to be, but 8x from here. Bitcoin Cash. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin's Cash's chart looks pretty damn good too. Actually, what's the tokenomics on Bitcoin Cash? Excuse me. Let me check something. Cause that chart looks pretty damn good. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash. It says there's what, 20, it says there's 21 million. I feel like that's not right though. Bitcoin Cash looks good. This chart looks really, really good. Actually. So yeah, markdown accumulation, sign of strength, back test of the prior range. Beautiful. Retracement, you're looking at 1200. Parabolic, 4 thou wow. So like maybe an 11x. Pepe has 420 trillion. Kakinu has 69 trillion. Yeah, I don't want nothing with any trillion. A billion is the most that I want to see. That, I don't know. I feel like having a gazillion supply is like such a last bull run type vibe thing to do. Megan, thanks for the rose. Sonic will take me out of working and retire will be early for me. I believe it. I believe it too, brother. On my mama. MVP has 47.5. The MVP chart looks good. I told you that. MVP's chart looks really good. This is accumulating right now. Right meow. It hasn't even gotten the sign of strength yet. The sign of strength is going to take you somewhere to 10 cents. So that's like a 2x. Retracement, 26 cents. Parabolic is about $2. $2 hairs. AKT on the hood. Damn. AKT. I would take profit on this one, fam. This is distribution. I don't know. Like, you've already wrote it all the way down at this point. This was distribution, though, clearly. This is the markdown. This might be it right here. This is the prior all-time high. This is probably it right here. I don't think it's going to get any worse than $1, probably 50. But it's going to be choppy for a little while. But this fib right here is done. And it went beautifully to the 3618. So we'll see what the next one has. About $10. $14. Cam, thanks for the tiny and the rose, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
When do you think they're going to turn the money printers on? The money printers are always on. Always on. The money printers never stop. The question is, when do they go from a drizzle to a fire hose? The money printers, like this idea that they turn off the money printers. That's not real. They never turn off the money printers. Right now, today, right now, every month. Where's the debt counter? Every single month, a new $1 trillion is made. That was not made before. We're at $35.2 trillion. They never turn it off. It just, is it going to be a fire hose or is it going to be a drizzle? Right now we're at a drizzle, and that means 1 trillion new dollars every single month. That's what a drizzle looks like. I can't wait to see what the fire hose is going to look like. But that's going to be in September. That's when that's going to start. Is AKT in the buying zone? Yeah, I mean, technically it's below the 236. That is true. But it's at the very beginning of accumulation. So you're going to be buying it for a little while before it does anything, in my opinion. Fire hose on FET. Same thing. This is like, okay, FET has the setup that of what I'm looking for right here, right? When I keep saying that this is the chart that I'm looking for, this is why, right? Your markdown, your accumulation, your sign of strength, your back test of the prior range, chopping there for a little bit, just like Solnic is doing. And then you have your markup phase. Boom. Bull run. Bull run. Distribution. Distribution. Markdown again. Now, typically the end of the markdown takes you to the prior all-time high. That's where we're at. We're at the 236 again. I imagine it's going to be choppy and boring for a little while. But this has already had a full phase, which is why I'm looking to buy coins that look like this. Let me move you guys over. I'm looking to buy coins that look like this because this is what's next. That's why I have a whole list of coins. The Wyckoffsky, they all look like that. All of them look exactly like that. ICP, Link, VeChain, Flux, H&T, Rose, Crow, AVAX, LCX, Shiba, ADA, Doge, XYO, XTC, Dent, API3, Theta, Tela, Naka. Okay, they all look like that. That's why. Let's put FET on here so I don't forget. So yeah, FET's in a different range right now. It already did the move that I'm waiting for most of the market. It already did that move. This is what you would expect to be next for FET. And the next leg will take you to $8. Mover, $8. $8. Firehouse on LCX. ACH mover. Will DJT retrace too? Didn't they rug? Well, let's look up DJT. Let me finish mover. Then we'll look at amp. Mover looks good. Yes, beautiful. Okay. I don't know about the tokenomics or the fundamentals on this. Meaning I don't know what the inflation is. I don't know what the fundamentals are. But this is real. This is the same chart though. Same chart. Waiting for the move. Beautiful. Parabolic 666.66. Let's go. Let's check out DJT real quick. Says, will it retrace? Didn't it rug? Mover, yeah. I don't know about this. This is like our actual rug, right? Remember when we were like live waiting for this to rug? And I was like, this is gonna rug. And it like took forever. Like, rug already, damn it. Yeah, I don't know about this. I don't know if I'd be messing with this. We waited forever for this thing to rug. Retracement is 005. 004. I wouldn't even count this no more. What about near and render? Render, again, is like FET. Like, I like it, but it's in a different phase. New AI I'm curious about called Anyone Protocol. What crypto is this? This is DJT. Solnic is girlfriend changing money. Alright, let's look up AMP. Near, I like near 5x for near. What's Solnic supply? 949.5, I think 9 or 949 something million. Less than 1 billion. Flu or LCX? I assume you mean Flux. Flux has a better ROI potential. What do you think the narrative is going to be the bull run? I don't care. Period. I do not care. Okay, if you're looking for someone to tell you narratives, if you're looking for someone to whisper sweet nothings to you, that's not me. In fact, what I preach on my channel is show me the charts, I will tell you the news. In fact, what I know to be true is the narratives are misleading by design. Okay? If you trade, and I made a video, trade the news, you will lose. Okay? Elon goes on SNL at the absolute top. Luna goes to the zero at the bottom. FTX goes to zero at the absolute bottom. Everyone said it's going lower because this narrative happened. SVB went to zero at a local bottom. The war in Israel at a local bottom. Bitcoin ETF at a local top. Germany, Mt. Gox at a local bottom. Japan, rate cut at a local bottom. Trade the news, you will lose. What is the narrative going to be? I do not care. Not even a little bit. Because the apex predators utilize, like, okay. Who are you getting the news from? You're getting it from the reporters. Who is hiring the reporters to write the articles? The people you are trading against. The people you are trading against. I am not a channel that will ever spew narratives. Never. If you want that, I'm not your channel. And what I believe in my soul is this right here. This is why I like Wyckoff so much. The fundamental belief is why he created this is the realization that stock price trends were driven primarily by institutional and other large operations who manipulate stock prices in their favor. The game was rigged from the start, Jimbo. But that's what Wyckoff is. It's a way of measuring the market, knowing that the game is rigged. So no, I actively try not to get caught up in narratives. So yeah, you asked me what the narrative is. I don't know. BlackRock. What's our current? All the supply is release. Obertron. 949. It's actually deflationary because we will be burning coins at 5 million market cap. How many X's can Pepe do? 10X. Let him cook. Let him bake. Chef Boyarski here. And we're grilling up some straight fire. What do you think crypto will uptrend after the Fed cut? No, I don't. I think we're going to uptrend till the Fed cut, and we're going to back test. This is what I actually think is going to happen right here. Okay. Above, we have the textbook Wyckoff accumulation, reaccumulation schematic. Accumulation, breakout, throwback, throw it back, throw it in a circle. Reaccumulation, and then you continue the uptrend, right? That's what I think that we're doing. Textbook for Bitcoin, accumulation, breakout, throwback, reaccumulation. This is what I project is next. I think we are going to raise into the Fed rate cut, perhaps 80K, 100K. I don't know what the exact number will be, somewhere in that range. And then when the Fed cuts rates, we're going to backtest the prior range of 60, 70K. And all of the influencers will tell you here that the bear market's back, baby. The bull market's done. That's what they're going to tell you. And then we're going to have one more leg higher. Boom. All right, let me look up AMP because I keep forgetting to look at it. Oops. Shep Boyarski. I like AMP's chart. This looks good to me too, bro. This is the chart that I'm looking for. Now, I don't know about their inflation, but this chart looks damn good to me. Let me see. That's the same chart that I'm looking for. That's the same chart that I'm looking for everything else. I don't know what the inflation looks like. I don't know what the tokenomics are. It looks okay to me. I'd say this is a good play right here. I don't know enough about it fundamentally, but this is a good chart, and the tokenomics seem to check out okay. Hello, my boy. What's up, fam? Ka-chow. So it's looking like the same historical data for Bitcoin right around March and April for the final run. The monthly analysis would tell you that, or the seasonality chart would tell you, where the hell is my seasonality chart? Where are you? Here we go. April is one of the best performing months. Also, October and November. So if you're asking me to guess in 2025 where I think we're going to peak out at, it's one of those 3 months. In fact, Bitcoin did that both times, double topped in 2021. It did that same exact thing. We actually had the same price, basically, in both April and in November. But my guess is November. I gotta pee, guys. Spam the like button. Hit the share. I'll be right back. All right. We're back. Let's go, Sonic baby. WorldCoin thoughts. Is FET on Coinbase ASI? I thought they were not converting FET to ASI. What do we do with FET on Coinbase? If you have a coin that they're no longer supporting, it'll still be there. I don't own any FET. So, how's the 1 meal a day going? Great. Love your live stream. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Tomorrow, I'll have my camera fixed. Freaking TikTok was on some crazy stuff. So I'll have to figure out how to fix that. Dot's chart looks pretty good to me. What do you think about Pal AI? Arrow, I'm not a huge fan of Arrow. I don't love their chart. I don't think that there's any more blood for Arrow, but I don't think that it's going to be Lambos and rocket ships for a little while. Thoughts on PAAL AI? Listen, okay, so right off the rip, let me just say, I know absolutely nothing about that coin, but I don't like, and I am very suspicious of coins that put AI on their coin. Because is it actually AI? Probably not. But let's see. I'm very suspicious of coins that just use buzzwords. Yeah. This one might be cooked, bro. No, not really. I think that the blood is done. The same thing as like fetch or arrow. The blood looks to be done, but it's going to be choppy and boring for a little while. Next leg will take you to about $2 hairs. ICP by year's end. My bull run price, Scotty, is not by the year's end, but my bull run price is $100. How about GFI API 3? He says it's heavily shilled by a lot of influencers. Stay away. What coin was your best payday last bull run? Matic. Matic, I think. So I was mining Ethereum pretty heavy. For a long time, actually. Since maybe 2019. I think I was mining Ethereum. That's when I started. And sometime in maybe 2020, I don't remember exactly when it was, but they started doing this thing where, so I already figured out that the gas fees were trash. I figured out that I was not doing that. And so what they would let me do was mine Ethereum, and they would wrap it for free they would pay me in Polygon instead of paying me in Ethereum. And so I figured out how to use layer 2s pretty early on. And so when I was mining Ethereum, they were converting it to Polygon for me. And that's what I had. And so that was back here. I mean, that was, yeah, literally in 2020. So I was mining Ethereum, quote, but I was actually getting Polygon, way back here. So that was probably my biggest W last bull run. I didn't wait till the top, but I was still mining. I was still mining it back all the way through all of this. So I'd say probably my average on this was a solid 40-50x last bull run. I mean, I sold some at the literal top, but I DCA'd out of it. So I sold all of this. I was selling all of this. I mined all of this, and I was selling all of this. I sold some here, some here, some here, some here, some here. I sold all of this. So that was probably my biggest win last bull run, was Matic. Their chart looks good to me too, by the way. A lot of miners were paid nano also, yeah. Soul short. Hey Ski, how are you, friend? I'm doing fantastic. Market analysis on Purple Pepe. What's your bull run price for DNX KDA? I'm a big fan of DNX. Listen. I think DNX can get above $10, but there's not, DNX hasn't been through a bull market and a bear market. It's only been here, during the bear market-ish. So there's not chart data for me to give you a target on that. But I think fundamentally, it's a great project. KDA, though, I don't remember what my target was for KDA. But I'm bullish on all mineable coins, period. KDA's chart looks pretty damn good. Retracement, 570. Parabolic, $24 hairs. 50x is wife keeping money. About when do you think the bull run peaks? Late 2025. Everyone is bearish on 2025. That is super bullish to me. Whatever you're hearing, you can know absolutely nothing, Scotty, and all who are listening. You can know absolutely nothing, and whatever you're hearing from that is like a popular narrative, trade the opposite of that, and generally you're going to do pretty damn well. But the popular narrative is that the bull market is over in 2024 and 2025 is cooked. So I, just off of that alone, I mean, there's other reasons, obviously, but that is a reason. GFI. So yeah, I think it's in 2025. I mean, also too, when we look at the charts, people keep telling me it's different. Literally nothing is different. I have yet to see anything that is different. GFI's chart looks freaking good, man. This looks beautiful. Retracement, $10. Parabolic, $41 hairs. We thinking 50 cents on VET? Yeah. What's your analysis on VeChain? I like VeChain a lot. VeChain has the same chart that I'm looking for. Same setup. You holding any Sol tokens? Solnic is my favorite Solana token. SOLNIC. There you go. Here's the contract address. My favorite 100x play, Solnic XTZ9. By the way, same chart. Same chart that I'm looking for. DGB. I feel like DGB has a pretty good chart. I don't remember off the top of my head. Make sure I didn't miss nobody on here. All right, I think we're good. Oh. All right, yeah, we're good. Sorry, guys. Off the top of my head, I think they have a good chart. I don't quite remember. Yes. Beautiful. Now, I don't remember about the inflation, though. But that chart is good. I swear it by the old gods and the new. That chart looks good. Is that the sign of strength? That is the sign of strength. Correct. What was it? DGB? Okay, yeah, DGB. I'm going to add that one, actually. Because DGB's been around. I'm going to add this one to Wyckoffsky. I might pick up some DGB. This chart looks good. Good inflation, good chart. I think consolation for such a long time will intensify the bull run. That's right. Okay, Megan, the fundamental rules of Wyckoff. These are not your boy Ski's rules. This is Wyckoff's rules. States, the longer you consolidate, the higher you go. The higher your targets are in Wyckoff. This is not my rules. This is Wyckoff's rules. So yes, what you're saying is true. The longer we hang out and are boring, the higher we will go. And also, the stronger the floor is the next time we come back. What does Solnic need to get listed on major exchanges? Well, we're trying to sell out the NFTs before we make a bunch of staggered moves. We would like Solana to go higher as well, but we have the money for one right now. XRP to $10, yeah, I think that's possible. You think 88 can get back to $3? Yes, I do. $6 is my target. 3 different all-time high on 3 bull run. Yeah, DGB's chart looks good. This has been around. I like 88. 88 is on the Wyckoffsky list. And in order to get on the Wyckoffsky list, if you want to put in your application, let me know. Here's what you need. You need number one, and most importantly, before we can pass go. Do not pass go unless you have number one. And number one is a chart that looks exactly like this. That's number one. First and foremost, and the most important, you need a good chart. Rule number two, to get on the coveted Wyckoffsky list, is you have to have low to no inflation. And rule number three is you have to be doing something. You got to be doing something, bro. But yeah, ADA is on the coveted Wyckoffsky list. Same chart. Accumulation, sign of strength, back test of the prior range. Thoughts on Alpha Flux? I don't have any thoughts on ALF or ZKML, but Flux is one of my low market caps that I love. I'm biased, right? I'm biased. Let me say it again. I am biased. But the chart, what I'm not biased about is this damn chart right here. Where are you at, Flux? Where are you, Flux? You gotta be fluxing kidding me, man. Where are you? Here you are. Boom. Same chart. Same chart. So I mine Flux. I'm a little bit biased. But this is the same chart. So I'm really bullish on Flux. I think it gets easily above $10, as high as $17. Well, there will be a small bull run soon. Time to exit. See, that's the popular narrative, Enjoy. That's what everyone and their wife's boyfriend and their cousin Sharon and their uncle Scott is saying. And when everyone thinks one thing, it tends to not be true. Rose, please, $1 to $2. How is it possible in a few months? Who said, okay, like what rule? First of all right, let's look at Bitcoin. Let me show you. Because everyone keeps telling me, everyone keeps saying, your boy Ski, it's different this time. I promise. My wife's boyfriend has a Coinbase and everything. He knows. He knows. He knows all, tells all, shows all for the right price. All right. Everyone keeps telling me it's different. Not only is it not different, but we are right exactly where we're supposed to be. Here's the halving, right? Everyone tells me the halving is high fives and Lambo time. Not true. Never been true. Never gonna be true. All right, here is the 2020 halving. We were at $9,000. If you didn't know, we topped out at $69,000. And did we start the bull run right then and there? No, we did not. In fact, we did not even make a new all-time high for 212 days. What about, oh, you might be like, okay, but that's different though, you boy Ski. They shut down the whole world. Okay, fair enough. 2016. Which is structurally exactly what I think that we are doing. Structurally, exactly what I think we are doing. Not only was the halving right here, not only did we have a major crash in August, wicking below the 200 moving average, just like we did, but from this time until we made a new all-time high, was 217 days. Not only is it not different, we are right on schedule. What did we just do? We just had a major crash in August, just like we did the prior time. Having, what do we need? 200. How many days? Minimum 180 days. That puts us in October. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. It hasn't even started yet, fam. It hasn't even started yet. Not only is it not different, We are right on schedule. We're right exactly where we're supposed to be. Nothing's different. Are you creator for Solnic? I'm not. Solnic is a community takeover. I'm the leader of that. I am your boy Ski. I am Docs. 6 low is the last 4 of my wallet. You better make a badass party when Solnic goes to Jupiter. I will. Yes. That's correct, Webb. You check the Matic chart. I like the Matic chart. $9 is my target. You know where I can take the class for crypto? Patreon.com/yourboyski. You can also become a member on TikTok. I started releasing my videos on there as well. All right, guys. I think we still have 1 camera. Let's see. We do, right? Is this working? Nope. We have 0 cameras. We have 0. We just have pictures of your boy Ski. All right, guys. That's going to be it for this time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I will never message any of you guys first. If someone does, it's not me. It's probably some guy in Pakistan or some other country, but it's not me. All right? Don't get scammed. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I will be live tomorrow, 8 p.m. Central Time. I'll be off Wednesday, live 9 p.m. Thursday, 8 p.m. Friday. Probably off Saturday. We'll see. Maybe I'll stream just because I want to. But that's going to be it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless.
Damn hustling, hustling, hustle, hustle.